Well, happy Thursday, boys and girls. We just trucked on home from Mom and Dad's in Vermont. So this is what I came home to today. Anybody want some fracking dogs? Blister didn't put Josie and Lulu in their crates this morning when he left for work. I'm thinking he's gonna get an ass chewing when he gets home. Hey, Tabarnak! What happened to my light bar on the back? Oh, whoop, there it is. I was coming down 88 today up New York State, headed home. Anybody around here knows how smooth that road is. This white pickup, very nice gentleman, Vermont plates, pulls up beside me, holds up a note at 75 miles an hour. Your mudflap is dragging. And I'm like, huh? He rolled his window down, I roll mine down. Your mudflap is dragging! So I'm like, what the frack? Put my four-ways on, hit the shoulder. He stopped with me, nice guy. He knew me. He made sure I was okay, good dude. Thank you, sir. That bitch snapped off. I was dragging it by I use extension cord to wire it out. But it's pretty tough. It'll pull a heavy light bar with all the bullshit on it, 75 miles an hour, pretty good. I thought to myself, did seem to be pulling hard. Some bitch, took it pretty good. The backing plate on the chrome sneaker got a little fracked up, but that's no problem. I got them in stock, boys. She got a little road rash here. You know what? Frack it. I'm gonna throw the bitch right back on. I'm gonna tear that son of a bitch apart, gut it, and put it back on with two 5/8 flanged crushed nut frame bolts. I'm like, bruh, they hold frames together. Ought to hold a light bar on. How about it? But dude, how you gonna get them bolts down in there? Easy. With a fracking magnet, boys. Bruh, how you gonna keep them bolts from just falling back inside when you try to mount it? Well, that's easy. You just get out your handy dandy world's greatest AC O-ring kit. Come over here and you throw a couple O-rings on, boys. Look at that. Look at that. How about it? Kind of like a fracking blankety blank ring. You know what I'm saying? That's a little fucked up. Dude, how you gonna hold them bolts when you put the impact gun on? It's like this, boys. Had to take the ratchet off to get her in there, but I'll tell you what. When you want to get in her bad enough, boys, you'll find a way. I don't know which wire goes where. Oh, yeah, Daddy. That bitch ain't going nowhere. You're not even going to worry about that little bit of scuff shit. You'd be scuffed, too, if you're drunk down the road 75 miles an hour. It just needs a little sanding. But Shoutout for fuck's sakes, 88, all that ain't fucking sanded it. It's like the dent in the grill, just another scar. And you know what, boys? Bitches love scars. She won't do it, but her sister will. Oh, boys, that's about as much fun as I can stand on a Thursday. I'll see you sons of bitches later.